Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning class of computer. Hope you all are safe at your home. Student, let's start reading a new chapter, that is chapter number 4. So open your book, page number 42, and today we will read next chapter, Excel as a database. Now student, what is a database? A database is a collection of related data organized in such a way so that it can be retrieved efficiently and effectively. It means database is a collection of data, and this data is organized in such a way so that retrieval process can be easy. Whatever you record you want to delete or insert, that can be done efficiently and effectively. Now, what is a database? A database is an organized collection of data. Student in school has your own database like students data, students name, student class, student section, student admission number. These details are stored in school database. For example, dictionary is also an example of database where you store, where dictionary has a collection of words. Similarly, a telephone book that has the contact numbers of different peoples. So this is a database. Database is an organized collection of data. It means we are collecting the data, but we are organizing it so that retrieving, insertion can be easily done. Next is component of a database. Student, this is a table. A table consists of rows and columns. Serial number, name, address, phone numbers are columns. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called rows. So in this table we have 9 rows and 4 columns. In database, rows are called records. For example, our first record is of Kuldeep, second record is of Shrikant, third record is of Rahul. These records, rows are called records, and this column, serial number, name, address, phone number, these are called columns or fields. What is field name? Field name is the name given to a particular column. For example, a name A has a name, serial number. So this defines that what type of values are stored in that column. Serial number, it means we are storing the numeric value. Address, this field specify that we are storing the text value in it. Next is using a form to enter data. Now student, in this chapter we are using Excel as a database. It means we know we have used the Excel, that in Excel worksheet we have data in the form of rows and columns. Worksheet consists of rows and columns. So we use form to enter data in that worksheet. What is a form? A form is a dialog box that provide an easy way to enter or display a complete row of information or record. Now, students, forms are not in your ribbon by default. First time when you open Excel workbook, you have to insert form. How to insert or add form on a quick access toolbar? The steps are: first click on File tab. From here you will choose the Options button. Option button, the Excel option dialog box open. This dialog box will open Excel options. From here, left side you will select quick access toolbar, and from right side, firstly you will choose command not in ribbon. I have told you that form is by default not in the ribbon, so we will choose the commands that is not in the ribbon. From here you will select form, then click on add button and OK. Now that form button will add in your quick access toolbar. Student, this is form icon which is inserted on your quick access toolbar. Now this is form button and this is your database. If I want to insert ninth record in an Excel sheet using form, then firstly I have to select the header row, serial number, name, address and phone number. After selecting this header row, then click on the form button and OK. You will see this type of form. Whatever the field you selected there, that will automatically inserted in your form with that text box. Now how to add a new record. For new record you will click on a new button. All these fields become blank. Type the values in serial number, name, address and phone number, and then press enter key. Automatically that record will be inserted in your Excel worksheet. Next is delete button. Delete is used to record the delete from the database. Find previous is used to find the previous record, and find next is used to find the next record. Next is searching a record. If you want to search and record, which button use? We will use criteria button. Student searching will be done on a particular field that is unique, whose values cannot be duplicated. For example, if I want to search a record number 17 whose serial number is 17, then I will click on criteria button, and in serial number I will write it 17 and press enter key. If the value you entered matches any record in the database, it will display. If there is no 17 record, the first record will be displayed. So student, let's do the quick quiz. Dash is an organized collection of data. Database. A dash contain only one type of data. Field. A dash is a column label in a database. Field name is a column label. Label means name. Dash button is not displayed on the Excel window. Form button. To search a record, click on the dash button on sheet 1 dialog box. Criteria. Student, you have to read these pages and try to understand these topics. Thank you students. Have a nice day.